Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Whether you're using Snapchat on your iPhone or Android device, the process is straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Next, navigate to the screen where you want to create the shortcut. This could be a specific friends chat or a feature within Snapchat. Now, tap on the profile or the chat you want to create a shortcut for. Look for the option that says Send to or More, depending on your device and Snapchat version, and tap on it. Then, select the option that looks like a plus icon or Create Shortcut. Choose an emoji or an icon that you'd like to use for your shortcut. Select the friend or the specific chat that you want to create a shortcut for. Finally, tap on Create Shortcut. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shortcut on Snapchat for quick access to your favorite chats or features. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Snapchat tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.